just the caffeine shot you need every day. So this is Dipan once again from the unique friend along with Mr. Pixels, and today I have got one video for you that will help you making the buying experience even better. Now, previously I uploaded 3 videos for this festive season. If you haven't checked them out, then the link is up there. Go check it out. It will be beneficial for you. And if you have checked it out, then the bar needs instant way.
Hypothetical high five. Nice.
Okay, and also if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you stay updated on every time this unique friend shows up, just to make your buying experience even better and better day by day, the 2018 way, for the 2018 lifestyle. And one more thing, in this video I'll be sharing one price release for the Amazon Great Indian Festival or the Flipkart's Big Billion Day, and if you are thinking that it will be at the end of the video, then you are dead wrong. So stick around to this video and find it out where is that price release. So today I won't take much of your time, just a short video for you today, and the main topic of this video is the buying guide. Now, even if you're spending 1 penny, then you should have the proper reason of spending that penny. And today I'll be talking of large appliances, expensive products. And if you are going for large appliances, if you want to buy them during this Amazon Great Indian Festival or the Flipkart's Big Billion Day, then you should have a proper guide or have a proper idea so that if you make that purchase, then that doesn't disappoint you at the end of the day. For that, the unique friend has again got some information for you, so don't miss out on this video. Now, some of the questions when you buy a TV or refrigerator, a washing machine or an AC, or even if a camera, some of the things that you consider for buying a TV is whether the screen size should be apt from the distance that you are watching this TV. Do you need a smart TV? What sort of sound do you need? Should the TV be in proportion to the size of your room? If you are buying a refrigerator, should the refrigerator hold a lot of food? Will it be proper for the number of family members that you have? If you're buying a washing machine, then how many cloths can it hold? Or what's the weightage of that washing machine should be? Should it be a top loading or front loading? Or if you're going for AC, then what sort of tonnage should it have so that it can cool down your room in a proper way? And also do not consume a lot of electricity. And even if you're going for a camera, then what sort of camera should you buy? Is it for a daily purpose, or you're traveling somewhere? Should you buy a point and shoot or a DSLR or an action camera? Every camera has its use. Even if you're spending 1 penny for that, you should know that whether you're going for the right one, whether you're making the correct decision. So everything is already there in the Amazon website. I am not the owner of that data. Someone else, Amazon, has that. Now, this unique friend will help to bridge that gap between you and a better buying experience by providing you the links of those pages down in the description. So you don't forget to check the description of this video, otherwise it won't have any meaning at all. And if you're already aware of those guides, then you are awesome. You are great. And the price of Samsung Galaxy S8 has been reduced to 29,990 in the Flipkart's Big Billion Days, and the price of OnePlus, if you also follow Hotstar, you should know this, that it has been reduced to 29,999. So these are the 2 offers or the price releases that I found today, and I thought that you should also know this. So just check the guides over there and see if those guides help you properly in making the buying decision in the right way. So better prepare yourself before the Amazon Great Indian Festival or the Flipkart's Big Billion Day. And also if you have liked this video, so then punch the like button once again, the 2018 way. And if you want me to give some more information about this Amazon Great Indian Festival or the Flipkart's Big Billion Day, then do let me know in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, like the Sheldon Cooper way. And also don't forget to subscribe, guys, because this unique friend will help you in making the correct purchase from this 2 online giants in their festive season. Okay, so this is Dipan once again signing off from the channel along with Mr. Pixels and the unique friend. Will see you in the next one. Till then, you stay spirited, you stay lively, keep those smiles rolling, and peace.